What's up, everybody? Henshin Hero X here with DarthBolitas for another unboxing. This time we managed to get 3 boxes of Digimon BT07 Next Adventure. Me personally, between the 2 secret rares, I'd like to have them both, but if I had to choose one, I would choose Susanomon because I can actually build a deck with Susanomon because I have a few hybrid decks already. For the super rares, top 3 for me I would lean towards Magna Garurumon, Emperor Greymon, and Doragurumon. DarthBolitas, on the other hand, he's bad and bougie, so he wants all art Susanomon. He wants all that gold, all that bling.
Oh yeah.
He also would like to have Cherubimon because he just likes the art for Cherubimon. All right, without further ado, let's hop into these packs.
All right. Of course, we're gonna start out with these. Y'all ready? Fire Drake straight. What's this? Dinorexmon. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
I like that. Come on, goodies. We're gonna get something good. Look at this. Oh.
Purimon.
What's here?
Skull
Ooh.
Knightmon.
Okay. He looks cool. Best for last? Best for last right here?
Mugen.
And
Ooh, Ancient Kazemon. So she's going in yellow hybrid deck.
I like that. I like that.
Putting a yellow hybrid deck. All right, now we got through the pre-release packs. Let's break these boxes.
Y'all ready for the first one?
Now be careful, don't knock the camera out.
Look what we got here.
All right. Zoe Orimoto. So she's the yellow hybrid tamer.
Nice. All right, we got some packs here, but let's see what's here right now. What's in here?
I think these are all arts of the those memory boost cards that came in the 2 starter decks. I think these are all arts for those.
Oh.
Yep, green memory boost.
That is cool. Now we got some all on it.
I actually haven't built a green
memory boost
for to use the green memory boost yet.
Here we go. First pack. We're gonna get lucky with this first pack. Let's find out.
What? Spoilers.
What?
All right. Antilamon. Thunder Laser. Actually, I think Antilamon, her Digivolution line goes into the Cherubimon, I think.
Oh.
I have to double check. I think.
That's nice.
Ghostmon. Tortomon. Kumamon. It's blue hybrid Digimon. Grumblemon. It's black hybrid. Huckmon.
Hey.
Rhino Kabuterimon. I think that might be, is that hybrid? No. Yeah, it's hybrid. Yep. Calling from the Darkness.
The Darkness.
Dorimon. That's X antibody right there. Ooh, yes.
Oh.
Coda Domoto.
That's a cool looking tamer.
I think that's the X antibody tamer.
I like that. I like that artwork.
Lopmon. Lopmon, I think, is part of the Cherubimon line also. So there was no
yeah, that's what I was expecting.
ending card. The card that gives you the list of everything in the box and also the memory gauge. So I wonder if they don't have them in any sets after.
So now we know, so we don't spoil ourselves again.
Yeah, DarthBolitas over here showing the rares.
That was scary. That was scary.
that a Kendo? Yep, Kendo Garurumon. Brachiomon. Bulkamon. Gotta get swole. Bokomon. Shellmon. Antilamon. Huckmon.
I like Agumon.
Kokomon. It's all about that cool.
I was thinking that too.
Rhino Kawaterimon. Nihagmon.
Ooh, I like the artwork.
So there's actually a green Nihagmon also. I have a copy of it. I have not built a deck with it. Betamon. Tommy Himi. Is it? Yeah, it's Himi. Tommy Himi. That's the tamer for blue hybrid.
Here we go.
You got, what is that? Philmon? King Waymon.
Ooh.
I wish this was a rare or super rare because
Right.
it would be so nice.
It looks dope.
He's literally an
Brave
island.
metal. I like the name.
Gatsumon. Lowmon. Or is it
That looks
Lowemon?
cool. Look at the artwork.
Is it Low or Lowy?
Lowemon? I feel like it's Lowemon.
That's a hybrid. Saber Leomon. Eismon.
Ooh,
Scatter
that looks
Mode.
cool too.
I think Eismon might have a whole deck for it.
Ooh.
Ancient Volcanomon. That might be, I think both of those are actually hybrid. Zephyrmon. Burning Greymon is hybrid. Evolution, or
Yeah, Evolution Ancient.
I feel like it should be, I don't know, the wording is weird to me.
Look,
Dino
we got it
Rexmon.
again. Second one.
Evolution Ancient. I guess it makes sense because they're going into the ancient evolution, the hybrids and stuff.
Come on.
It just seems weird to say.
Yeah.
Evolution
that is.
Ancient versus Ancient Evolution. I don't know.
Hey.
Dino Memory Boost.
Blue Hawaii deck. That's interesting.
Death by Popsicle.
Hey,
Philmon.
Philmon.
Grumblemon. Ghostmon. Tortomon. Deadly Axemon. Starlight Velocity.
Yeah.
Ancient
Hey.
Volcanomon. Aldemon.
Ooh.
Chaosdramon. Ancient Sphinxmon. So Ancient Sphinxmon is hybrid. The Aldemon was hybrid. I kind of got caught up in the art and forgot to name the other ones.
The
But
art is
it's
just
okay.
awesome. I love the people who worked on these cards. The art is amazing. And we got awesome first card.
Death by Penguin. Or is it Death by Popsicle?
Both.
Yes. Monitor. Metal Kabuterimon. That's a hybrid. Tuskmon. Kendogarurumon.
Because he's dope. He's dope.
Ultra Turbulence. Wendigomon? Yeah. Nihagmon.
Hey, you again.
That is some crazy art. Kapurimon. Electric Rush. I heard the art for this is crazy.
That looks dope.
Lotmon. Ooh, Duragurumon. Oop. Yeah, let's go. That's one of the big three that I wanted. Making that
All
X
right.
antibody deck.
That's how we
It's
start.
happening.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Flame Memory Boost.
Nice. Nice. Can use that.
Korikakumon. I think that's what that said.
Yes.
Okay. That's Korikakumon is a hybrid. Eismon Scatter Mode. Ooh, Monochromon. Monotamon, not Kumamon, it's a hybrid. Duragamon.
Cool.
That's part of the X antibody line.
I like that artwork.
Calling from the darkness.
Ooh,
Jet Sophimon. It's a yellow hybrid.
nice.
Mugen.
Okay.
Zoe Orimoto. Said her name right this time.
Oh.
Rasenmon. Rasenmon's not bad either.
That artwork.
Because I believe Rasenmon is more aggressive yellow deck.
I'm liking the pool so far. We always got good luck on our side. Here we go.
Giga
This is nice.
Storm.
Might use that.
Shellmon. Monochromon. Duragamon.
Hey.
Bokomon. Dino Memory Boost. Bulkmon. Gomamon.
That
Avenger
looks awesome.
Avenge Kidmon.
That looks awesome.
Mame Trimon? Mame Trimon? Mame Tyramon?
Mighty Tyramon.
Mame Tyramon? Ooh, Flamon.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Ooh, Manigarurumon. I got 2 of the big 3 that I wanted.
Ooh.
Now I just need dupes of all of them.
We are getting
If
lucky.
I can get 3 of each one, I can build decks.
Here we go.
But for unboxing purposes, 1 of each is great. We got Thunder Laser, Eismon,
I think that's the first one.
Sabreleomon, Pulsemon,
Yeah.
Toy Agumon, Neemon,
Man. I like the white cards.
Gigasmon, yeah. Actually, I think Gigasmon might be hybrid. Fire Drake Strike,
He's hybrid. Yes.
Mame Tyramon. I don't know. I'm gonna butcher that name like another 10 times. Koromon,
Ooh.
Ancient Megatheriumon.
Yeah, Megatheriumon.
That's a
Ancient
lot.
Megatheriumon.
That's blue hybrid, but that's a
That
lot.
is nice.
There's your Cherubimon.
Ooh.
And you know what's better? I
What?
think that's the art Cherubimon.
I think so.
So, which art do you like better, the art or the regular?
I don't know. They both look awesome. And just looking at how this look at that.
You got the Cherubimon though.
Okay. Oh, we got to do more. This is awesome. Here we go.
Starting out with a Neemon, Waymon, Orochimon, Toy Agumon,
Agumon.
Gigasmon, Pulsemon, Wendigomon, Kokomon,
Goku.
ooh, Rihimon.
I like that.
Or is that Rihi or Raihaimon?
Don't know.
It's a hybrid. I know that.
It is probably both then.
Aldemon,
Ooh.
Sistermon CL Awakened. So she's going to work with the Jessmon decks. Ooh, we got the campaign rare Wargreymon.
Oh,
I believe it's
I'm
campaign.
feeling this.
I believe it's campaign rare. Let me double check the breakdown. Yes. Campaign rare Wargreymon.
Yes.
So they take up a super rare slot. Because
That's
is
awesome.
CL a rare? The Sistermon, is she a rare?
I thought it was separate. Oh, but this one.
The Sistermons are
Yeah,
rare.
rare.
So yeah, then the campaign rares take up a super rare slot. Nah, technically, well, you get 2 rares, and one of those rares could be something else, so it takes up a rare spot. Okay.
I thought it was his own separate thing, but still, it's still dope.
You might be able to use that for your red deck, because it is a War Greymon.
Yeah.
Your whole deck is gray.
Definitely check that out in a bit.
The gray line. Orochimon, Waymon, Philmon, Thunder Laser, Blue Hawaii Death,
One of our favorites right now.
Gigastorm. I actually want to build a deck with just Blue Hawaii Death stuff.
Yeah,
Grumblemon, Zephyrmon, Pride Memory Boost.
I like that just because it's pride. Ooh.
What is that? Sturfilmon? Or no, Steffilmon.
Steffilmon. Y'all ready?
Metal Cannon.
Y'all ready? Yes,
So-
the one I wanted.
Trubimon and Trubimon art in the same box.
Yes. Yes.
Trubimon and the art in the same box. So that's one art. So that means there's either a secret rare in there or another art.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm pumped.
Bulkmon,
Gotta be bulky.
Kumamon, Bokomon,
Boko.
Metal Kabuterimon, King Waymon,
Dope.
Eyesmon Scatter Mode, Ultra Turbulence, Esomon,
That looks nice.
Beowulfmon, Fire Drake Strike, Quella. Ooh, my English is bad right now.
I'm not even gonna try.
Quailily's Blast is what I'm going to say that is. Quailily's Blast? Quailily's Blast?
Q Blast.
Yes, we'll go with Q Blast. Dark Knightmon.
Nice. Look at that Q Blast. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Ooh, nice.
That was a clean. that was clean right there.
I know y'all peeped that. That was nice.
Korikakumon, Blue Hybrid, Monochromon, Boutmon, Bout That Life,
Yeah.
Deadly Axemon, Tidal Wave,
Better watch out for the well.
Wendigomon, Monotamon. Hey, there is
Hey, buddy.
Daipenmon,
Hey, buddy.
Kaporimon, Burning Greymon, Dorumon,
Nice.
and is that what? Harrismon?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, Harris.
Harrismon. Or is it Harrismon? There is Harris.
Harris, man. It looks nice. I like that. That'd be like my little pet. My buddy. Like a buddy. It wasn't all nice this time.
Hey, something new. I don't think we pulled a. Was it
Yeah.
Triceramon? Yeah.
Yeah. Actually looks nice too. Look at that.
Nom 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 nom. Lomon. Flame Memory Boost. I think we've pulled like 4 of that now. Antilamon. I think we pulled 4 Antilamon too.
Mhm.
And 4
Plenty of
Monochromon.
those.
And
Yeah.
4 Grumblemon.
Second one of those.
Second Tidal Wave.
Ooh,
Kaiser
that's
Leomon.
nice.
That's the first. Yeah.
Ooh, this too.
Pasurimon.
Yeah. Interesting name.
Steffilmon. You know what? I think Pasurimon and Steffilmon are in the same
Yeah,
line.
I think so. 'Cause the
I
hair.
think it's Pasurimon, then Pulsemon, and then
Oh,
Philmon,
Pulsemon.
and then
Yeah.
Steffilmon. Dead or Alive. When's the last time you played Dead or Alive? It's been a minute, hasn't it?
Yeah. Maybe even beach volleyball.
Oh, Ophanimon.
Oh.
Campaign rare.
Oh. Did not expect that. Nice. We got 2 from 1 box.
Yep.
What? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Close. Well, I'm gonna have to.
Like Brachiomon? Yep.
All right.
Brachiomon. Ghostmon. Dino Memory Boost. Brave Metal. Eismon Scatter Mode. Triceramon. Flame Memory Boost.
Yeah.
Kaiser
Hey,
Leomon.
second one. Oh.
Avenge Kidmon. Esomon.
Good artwork in here.
Sistermon Ciel Awakened. Flameon.
Okay, we got another flame on. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, yeah.
Clean cut again.
Yeah.
Is that Susanomon going to be in that pack? Kunamon.
Hopefully.
Kazemon.
Hey.
Those are both hybrids. Schwartz. Ooh. Laser.
Why are they doing this?
Le. Razats. So that's Swartz. I know the first part because there's a Swartz Gundam that
It's
I
the
want.
SL, man.
Lasers. It might be Swartz Lasers.
Yeah.
Yum 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 yum.
I like this card already.
Gatsumon. Dorugamon. Rugamon. Bokomon.
Oh.
Ultra Turbulence. The R, if they had an R, it'd probably be really nice looking.
Yeah.
Beowulfmon.
And this one too.
Dorimon. Rihimon or Raihaimon.
Hey.
Koji Minamoto. That's the blue tamer for blue hybrid.
Here we go, here we go.
Metal Cannon.
I see how it is. I see how it is.
So we've gotten 2 of the tamers? Or 3?
We're gonna get something
We
big
got
in
yellow,
here.
we got blue, and blue.
I feel it. I
3,
feel
I
it.
think. Oh, that wasn't a clean cut though.
It's okay.
Gigastorm. Dino Memory Boost. Monotamon. Blue Hawaii Death.
Our favorite card.
Philmon. Gatsumon. Brachiomon. Beetlemon.
He looks awesome. I rock that
Green
outfit.
hybrid. Ooh, Bukamon. That's the
The
first of
little
those, I
rainbow.
think.
Yeah. Ooh.
Dora Greymon. I think that's the first too.
That looks nice.
That might be a first.
Can like I mount that and fly?
The next
That's
Monster
awesome.
Hunter game.
Yeah. Ooh.
Strabimon.
Ooh.
Ancient Kazemon. Strabimon and Ancient Kazemon are both hybrids. Strabimon.
Oh man. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Kazemon. Ghostmon. Shellmon. Thunder Laser. Brave Metal. Huckmon. Eismon. Kokomon.
Coco.
Rhino Kabuterimon.
Hey.
Mihagmon. Sistermon Blanc Awakened. Ancient
Yeah.
Beetlemon. Ancient Beetlemon's hybrid.
That is nice. Come on, goody. Something big in here. Something big in here.
Saber Leomon starting out.
Is that a good sign? Got some line.
King Waymon. Eismon. Shellmon.
Come on, something good in here.
Bulkmon. Metal Kabuterimon. And Telamon. Electric Rush.
I still like that word.
Pasurimon. Beetlemon.
Yeah.
Ooh, Takuya Kanbara. It's the red hybrid tamer. And Ebanwumon.
Ibon Woman.
Actually, Ebanwumon, I believe, is one of the 4 Digimon sovereigns, protectors of Kyoto. Turtle,
Oh.
tiger, I think green turtle, white tiger, blue dragon,
So he's a big
and
deal.
red phoenix. So that's one of the big 4 of the Digimon sovereigns. Zulangmon is the blue dragon. The red phoenix, can't think of its name off the top of my head. That one hasn't been printed yet. And white tiger, I don't think's been printed yet either.
I want to see the white tiger. You know me and white tigers.
I think phoenix might be in set 8 and tiger might be in set 9, or they both might be in set 8. I have to double check. So I looked at the spoilers for it.
Oh,
ooh, that's a clean
nice. Cut. We got something good in here, then.
See, you say that, but we have to see it. We have to witness it. Tuskmon, Tortomon, Lowmon, Kendogarurumon, Huckmon, Waymon,
Come on.
Gigasmon,
Come on.
Gomamon, Bukamon, I was about to say Bukamon, Doru Greymon, Evolution Ancient, which is still, it sounds weird to say. I don't know why. Ooh, All Art Doru Goramon.
Tell you something good was in here.
So you know what that means? That means no All Art Susanomon in this box. Unless they're
But
feeling
still,
generous.
This looks nice.
But yeah, so we got
Very
regular
nice.
Doru Greymon and All Art Doru Goramon. Or Doru Goramon. So, that's 2. One more and I can make a deck. Just saying.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah.
Dorugamon, which is part of his line. Saber Leomon. Korikakumon.
Which looks awesome.
Deadly Axemon. Tuskmon. Kendogarurumon. Bout That Lifemon.
Yeah.
Starlight Velocity. That would
That
probably
looks
be a
awesome.
really cool art too.
That looks awesome. Hey.
Ancient Volcanomon. Aldamon. Dorumon. Seraphimon. Campaign Rare Seraphimon. So that's 3 in one box. There's 8 total. That's 3. So we might end up pulling the rest of them just out of these boxes. We got 3 in one box. If it's 3 per box,
I wonder if we'll get another one in here.
it's possible to get all 8 between the 3 boxes we have. Starting out with a toy Agumon.
He's awesome. He's my buddy.
You know, I've never seen a toy War Greymon. Or a toy...
They should do that.
Because there's a toy Agumon, and I believe there's a black toy Agumon. But I haven't seen a black toy War Greymon or a toy War Greymon.
They need those.
It would look interesting.
It really would.
Or at least give it a pure, like, line-up to Mega.
Yes.
Orochimon.
Ultimate Legos.
Pulsemon. Neemon. Tidal Wave. Deadly Axemon. Ooh, Schwartz Laser. We're just going to call it Schwartz Laser.
Yeah.
Jet Sophimon. Starlight Velocity. Pride Memory Boost.
Hey,
Harrismon.
buddy.
Metal
Ooh.
Greymon.
Yes, Metal Greymon.
Have we pulled
Yes.
a blue memory boost? Because I know we pulled red, green, and black.
Don't remember blue.
I haven't seen a blue or a yellow, I don't think. Has there?
Might have to rewind, but I don't think we have a blue yet. Here we go, here we go. This one feels a little heavy.
All right, Tortomon. Shorts Laser. Ooh, they're trying to tongue twister me already. Gigasmon.
That was quick.
Orochimon. Pulsemon.
Yeah.
Waymon. Neemon.
Neemon.
Calling from the Darkness. Jet Sophimon. Mugen.
Hey.
JP Shinbayama.
Shibayama.
Green Hybrid Tamer. Rosemon. Campaign Rare. So that's 4 in a box. So all we're missing is what? Motogarurumon and... Who am I forgetting? Got Rosemon, Ophanimon, Seraphimon, or Greymon,
We shall collect them.
Motogarurumon. I'm missing a couple. I have to think about it.
Okay. Will we get another one in here? Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, that one sucked. That one just sucked.
Vikingmon, we don't have. So
Okay,
the 2 blues. Flame memory boost. Triceramon, Aizmon, Bout That Life Mon, Korikakumon, BrachiomonMugenmon,
Mugen.
Koromon, Daipenmon,
Yes, the second one.
best Digimon in the whole set.
Dead or alive. Ooh,
Q-Blast.
Another blast. Okay, not bad, not bad.
Is that the last pack?
Yeah, last pack in here.
Last Thor pack.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Actually, I didn't count the super rare, so I don't know what's in this. Actually, we might have pulled a lot of super rares from this set.
Yeah. Hey.
Toy Agumon, Brave Metal, Lomon, Bokomon, oof, Tortomon, Grumblemon, Philmon, Flame Drake Strike, ooh, Mommy Tray, Tyramon. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
we've gotten
did.
two
Yeah.
because it threw me off earlier
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
Koromon, ooh,
Hey.
Koichi Kimura. No, Kimura. That's the purple hybrid tamer.
Who is he protecting?
Koichi, yeah,
He is
Koichi
protecting.
Kimura. Zoe.
You just want her all to yourself, huh?
I'm actually trying. It's been a minute since I watched the show. Did they like each other? I don't remember. Actually, you know what's funny?
Mm-hmm.
So you know in OG Power Rangers how Tommy was the evil ranger and he came around?
Yeah.
He was the evil spirit, or the evil hybrid tamer. So he was the bad guy originally, and he came around to join the rest.
Oh, wow.
All right, so you want to pull out all the super rares real quick? We'll show them and then hit the next boxes.
All right, let's see. Got to show off the campaign ones real quick. Those look awesome.
So these are the campaign rares we got from the first booster box.
That's so nice. I can't believe we really put that one, though.
Yeah.
So now I need the other one.
So yeah, you wanted Trubimon, we got both of them. I wanted Duragoromon, got two of them. And I got the Magna. I just need Emperor Greymon, and that's all three of the super rares.
I'm happy this got pulled, too.
All right,